Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
It has to click on work. If it is not working, let's trace. You want to check it. Oh, it's coming. It's coming because we haven't kept any condition. You again click on the checkbox. You understand you have to refresh it. Right? You understand, right? Whenever we're making any changes, we have to refresh the current page. Then only it will load the new data. Now you open this one data transform. Now you write the entire data, transform and keep a condition also. How you will keep a condition before one? You have to add a condition. Drag to the top. You can drag it. You will get some green color line, I guess. Still top, you have to drag. This dragging, you have to habituate it. You drag still. Now that green line is coming in a dotted line. Now you hold it here. I have to when condition it. When condition. When page is same on market page. On which page you are getting that one. Target page is by work page only. Then you can give dot and click on down arrow. And this is work cover. You just type it dot work. What is it? Dot location value. You just type it. It's if it's not coming also. Location. Violation. Double equal to. Double equal to in quotation. That means forcefully you are writing right. We are checking the condition right. This is not forcefully. We are looking at condition. If it is true, you do this action. If it is false, you do another action. If it is true, see you have dot 1.1, right? In 1.1, you need to keep update page. Can I drag and drop this? I think you cannot do to inside a loop. You just keep it. You can copy and paste, I think. Right click on that one. You copy it. And you copy it. Paste it. In 1.1 you paste it. You can delete that 2 steps. 1.2. See how embedded it is now. Right. 1.1. House number, like I should have said. I want to just see the dot location validation. If this is, let's see. If it is not working, let's see in tracer. See, if you have any doubt, you can keep like primary dot location validation or py work page dot location validation. If it is not working, I'm saying landmark. But again, we are giving the same manual work, right? We are giving the same manual work, but generally it should not happen. When you keep a set method, This is an interview question also. How you will copy one page data to another page data directly? Like directly in the sense without giving like this. The answer is like we have to use set method only. But I'm not sure why it is not working here. You have added right. When it is true, then you just go refresh and check it now. Go to your screen. Refresh. No, you uncheck and check it again. Check and check it again. It will not delete because for false, you haven't written any condition. Now you write one more condition. 2 you have to write. Step. Can we use otherwise? You can use otherwise. Otherwise you can use otherwise. Otherwise what you have to do? You have to delete those values, right? For deleting, you can remove. You can remove or you can manually set the values to null. Anything is fine. Here I have to again go for delivery location dot write. No, you can directly remove the parent. Parent delivery location write. Delivery location, that's it. This is one step. It will remove all the values. It will remove all the values. Now you go there. And by default it is selected. By default it is coming right. That's what I am also seeing. Just refresh. Click on go. Uncheck it. Now check it. Now uncheck it. It's working. But it is coming by default, right? You have to make by default as empty. In this sense false, right? Here I also have to submit. Not here. You have to make a change in pre-processing data transform. Because before coming into the screen itself, you have to make a change, right? For that we have to go for it. Where you have to make that one checkbox as empty is like you have to make it in your pre-processing data transform. Because before coming into the screen itself, you have to make it unchecked, right? Open the data transform. Again, it is not taking that condition, right? Whenever you are unchecking, it should be empty, right? Correct? You add another step, the fifth step. Location, validation, relation is equal to null, you can set. Or false, also you can set. Inverted commas, null, you can set. Double quote is smaller capital N. No, you just double quotes. Null. In the sense you have to give 2 double quotes. That's it. That's it. If you return null, it will hold a null value in a clipboard. You understand? Null in the sense only 2 double quotes. 2 double quotes. Now you go and see if it is working. Then you check in. By default, it's null. If I modify the data, because on click you are copying after modification, right? It will come. It will invoke the data transform and it will work. You understand it. What I am trying to say. If you want to trace it, you can trace it and see how actually it is running in the background. You can trace it from here this time. You can trace. Go to your designer studio. Here also option is right. Trace. This will. You just see what is the difference. You click on tracer. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.